Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Moh Kamil. Okay, today I will present or I will explain about the human brain. The brain is composed of neurons, nerve cells that are the basic information processing units of nervous system. The cerebral cortex is the body ultimate control and information processing center. And frontal lobes in speaking, muscle movement and making plan and judgment. Parietal lobes include the sensory cortex. Occipital lobes include the visual areas which receive visual information from the visual field, and temporal lobes include the auditory areas, each of which receives auditory information primarily from the opposite ear. Language is made up of socially shared rules that include the following: semantic or meaning, how to make new word, and grammar, social context, and speech. Speech is the verbal means of communicating. Speech consists of the following: articulation, how speech sound are made, and voice, the use of the vocal fold and breathing to produce sound, and fluency and prosody, the rhythm, intonation, stress are and related attribute of speech. When someone has trouble understanding other people, receptive language or explaining thought, ideas, and feelings, expressive language, that is language disorder. When someone cannot produce speech sound correctly or fluently or has voice problem, that is speech disorder. And then anatomy of language. There are several areas of the brain that play a critical role in speech and language. Broca's area located in the left hemisphere is associated with the speech production and articulation. Our next area is critical language are in the posterior superior temporal lobe connect to Broca's area via neural pathway. And the angular neurons allow use to associate multiple types of language-related information, whether auditory, visual, or sensory. And angular gyrus. The angular gyrus is an important element in processing concept and abstract concept. Insular cortex. The insula is implanted in speech and language, taking part in functional and structural connection with motor, linguistic, sensory, and limbic brain areas. Okay, this are me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.